So hello friends, in this video we will going to cover all the questions HR asks on the calls. Most of time the HR calls suddenly and ask for the some screaming round questions that might we forget or we got not answer. So you can answer like this. They may ask the one things we need to know that there is company like Tata. So and we are the job seekers. So between company and job seekers there are one mediator known as the consultant or recruiter. So almost we get a call through the recruiter for scheduling our interview. So they were asked, are you looking for a job change? So you can say yes, I'm looking for a job change. They much asked, how much experience do you have? I have around 4 plus. You can say about your experiences. I am explaining here my I have around 4.6 year of experience in automation, 3.5 year of experience, manual 1.2 year of experience, in API testing 3 plus year of experience with Postman, and 2 year plus of experience in REST assured. In SQL I have 1 year of experience, in mobile testing with APM of 1.5 year of experience, and in Cucumber so 1 year, and 2.5 year in TDD. Then they may ask, what is your notice period, what is your official notice period? You can say your own official notice period in your organization. So I in my case, so my official notice period is a 1 month, generally 1 month or 3 month there have been. Okay, so the next question they can ask, how soon you can join? So you can say according to you, and I am answer like this. Actually I'm released from the product project, so since last 10 days I'm on the bench. If I will be selected anywhere, then my company will release me within a week, because I have seen my colleges was released colleague was released by company within 3 to 4 days after getting an offer letter. So I will collaborate with my manager so that they can release me within a week. Okay, and next question they may ask, name of your organization, company, what is where is it is located? So the mine is my current company is SM Web Solution Private Limited. You can say here of your and their locations, and they are also may ask, are you comfortable to relocating Noida? You can, if you comfortable then yes, otherwise according to you can say. And they may also ask, why do you want to change your job? This is most asked. Why you are leaving your current organization? You can say, please do not answer negative answer like my manager is rude, there is some company so not. You cannot answer bad that will be go on bad expression on HR. So you can say like this, no doubt my current company is very good, and since last 4 year I am working here, but I am looking for a new opportunity so that I can get new environment, new technology, new project, and new process and new things to learn. So it will be good learning opportunity for me that will reflect in my current growth, your career growth. Okay, you can say like this. They may also ask, what is your current package, current in hand salary? So you can say according to you, here my is 8.6 LPA, and my current in hand salary is 69,000 itna, and we can say my current salary around 7 LPA. You can say according to your. Is there any variable performance bonus or fixed salary? It is all fixed. In my company there is a fixed salary, or we can say is there is no any variable. Not variable salary will be depends on upon team performance. So team members might be 0 to 100% of ever variable salary, which already mentioned in the end of each years. What are your expectation? You can say what are your expectation. In my expectation is 12 LPA. It's negotiable, or can say we can say yeah 30 to 40 pence negotiable, or we can say 30 to 40% hike from my side. What is your current location? Where do you reside? Where do you put? You can say your own location. My current location is Mumbai, but right now I am in my hometown. What is your current role and responsibility in your organization? So I am working as a QA automation engineer in my company, handling both automation and manual testing. Automation key functionalities using Selenium POM framework, and perform API testing with REST assured, and also conduct manual functionality and regression testing raise defect and collaborate in agile team to ensure product quality. They also ask, are you comfortable to work from office, work from home? So according to you, you can say yes. Do you have forms 16 and pf? If you have, then you can say yes. If they have not, you have not, you can say no, my company does not provide form 16 or pf. Did you have any offer? You can say yes. If you have, so you can say yes, I have offer in but in the pipeline. If yes, then you can say yes, I have offer letter. And if you say the you have offer letter, they may ask then what is the problem you are looking for now. So you can handle according to you. On which domain currently you are working? So you can answer like currently I am working on e-commerce domain, and also I have worked on the crm domain. You can explain according to this. And have you any experience in banking domain or other domains? If you have, then you can say yes. And if you have no, so you can know I have not much more experience, but if needed, then I can take the knowledge for the upcoming interviews. Not if you don't need resign from a company until we get any offer letter. Okay. And you can say offer letter. These are the questions HR will maybe asked in during the call. So if you want to all these questions with perfect answers, I have covered at least around 200 answers with manual testing, automation testing, and API testing, mobile testing. So I have covered all into a PDF. You can check in the description box. It will show your hours of presentation, preparation, and give you ready to use answer for your upcoming interview. And if this video is helped you, to don't forget to like and subscribe. I will keep sharing real interview content in this channel. Thank you.